Hi everyone, welcome back to Brighter Sparkles. Today we have a game changer for you. We're diving deep into the world of goal setting with setting SMART goals for success. SMART goals are the secret sauce to achieving your dreams. So let's break it down step by step. S stands for specific. When setting a goal, make it crystal clear. Ask yourself, what exactly do you want to accomplish? The more specific, the better. A specific goal is a clear and well-defined objective that leaves no room for ambiguity or confusion. It answers the fundamental questions of what, why, and how, providing a precise and detailed description of what you want to achieve. Specific goals are important because they give you a clear target to aim for and a roadmap to follow. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," a specific goal could be, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by following a healthy diet and exercising 3 times a week." Specific goals provide you with a clear roadmap and the motivation to work toward a tangible outcome. They enable you to measure your progress, stay focused, and track your achievements effectively. Next up, M is for measurable. You need a way to track your progress. How will you know when you've achieved your goal? Break it down into measurable steps. A measurable goal is an objective that can be quantified or assessed in a way that allows you to track your progress and determine when you have successfully achieved it. Measurable goals are characterized by specific, concrete criteria that make it clear whether the goal has been met. These criteria provide a means to measure your performance and determine your level of success. For instance, if your goal is to save money, make it measurable by stating, "I will save $500 per month for a down payment on a new car." Measurable goals provide a clear framework for assessing your progress and determining when you have successfully achieved your objective. They help you stay on track, measure the effectiveness of your efforts, and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. A stands for achievable. Set goals that are challenging but realistic. You want to stretch yourself, but not to the point of discouragement. An achievable goal is an objective that is realistic and within your reach, given your current resources, skills, and circumstances. It represents an aspiration that, while challenging, is attainable with a reasonable level of effort and commitment. Achievable goals are crucial for maintaining motivation and ensuring that you don't set yourself up for failure. Ask yourself if the goal is within your reach given your current resources and constraints. If it's not, consider breaking it down into smaller, more manageable goals. Achievable goals help you maintain a sense of realism and control over your objectives. They motivate you to take action because they are within your grasp, and as you achieve them, they can build confidence and provide a sense of accomplishment. R stands for relevant. Your goal should align with your values and long-term objectives. It needs to matter to you on a personal level. Relevant goals are essential because they ensure that your efforts and actions are purposeful and meaningful. Think about whether the goal is relevant to your life right now. If it doesn't contribute to your overall happiness or well-being, it may not be the right goal for you. Relevant goals ensure that you invest your time and energy in pursuits that matter to you, contributing to a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. When your goals are relevant, you are more likely to stay motivated and find purpose in your actions and achievements. Lastly, T is for time-bound. Set a deadline. A goal without a time frame is just a wish. It creates a sense of urgency and keeps you on track. Define a specific time frame for achieving your goal. For example, I will complete a 10K run in 6 months. Time-bound goals provide structure and a sense of purpose to your actions. Remember, folks, SMART goals turn dreams into plans and plans into achievements. Whether you're striving for personal or professional success, this framework is your roadmap. So grab a notepad, a pen, and let's start setting SMART goals together. The journey to success begins with a single step. Thank you for joining us on this goal-setting adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are ready to achieve greatness. Until next time, keep setting those SMART goals and watch your dreams become reality.